In this video, I'm going to show you multiplying fractions, and instead of using the cross-cancel method, which some people like and some people don't, we're going to not cross-cancel. We're going to just multiply the two fractions, and then we'll simplify in the end. And so in this video, I'm really trying to teach how to simplify a fraction. All right? So I put on the board 1/8 times 2/5. Now, instead of simplifying anything here, we're just going to multiply across. You make the numerators the top. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 5 is 40. So you have 2/40. Now, that can be reduced. I'm trying to think of the best method to work on simplifying a fraction. And what I thought about is we did some work on rainbow, getting the factors of a number with rainbow. So what I want you to do is I want you to take the smallest of the numerator or denominator. So it's 2. I'm going to take 2, and I'm going to do my factor rainbow. What numbers go into 2? Well, it's only 1 and 2. So then I'm going to take the greatest of these factors and say, does this one go into 40? And if it does go into 40, I'm going to do it. Now 2 does go into 40. So I'm going to use 2 and divide the top and the bottom by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. And because I have a 1 here, I can't divide that any smaller. So 1/20. Okay? So you're going to find the smallest of these numbers and then do the rainbow and start this side and see if one of these factors goes into your denominator. Let's do another one. Let's do 3/5 times 2/3. Okay, I'm not going to worry about simplifying, just going to multiply across and then we'll simplify later. 3 times 5 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so I have 6/15. I'm pretty sure I can simplify that, but I want to check it. So I'm going to take my smaller number, 6, bring it over here, do a rainbow. I know that every number has the factors of 1 and 6. And then I'm going to do, does 2 go in here? Yep, 2 and 3. And then no 4. Okay, so for the factors of 6, I have 1, 2, 3, 6. So I'm going to start here with 6. Does 6 go into 15 evenly? 6 times 1, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, so no. So I can cross this one off. What about 3? 3 times 5 gets me 15. So I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to divide each by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 2/5. So I simplified 6/15 to 2/5 using my rainbow factors method. All right, and you can even try that with bigger numbers. Let's say we get the fraction, we multiply across, and we get the fraction 8/54. Okay? I don't want to start thinking like what goes into 54. So I go with my smaller number. I come over here, I take my 8, I do my rainbow. 1, 8. Now does 2 go in here? 2 and 4. 3, no, so 1, 2, 4, 8. I start with 8. Does 8 go into 54? 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. Ooh, close, but nope, it doesn't go in there either. What about 4? Does 4 go in there? I'm not sure. I know 10 times 4 is 40, but then that's more. So I'm just going to do a little double check here. I'm going to take 54, and I'm going to divide it by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time, 1. Bring down my 4. Does 4 going to evenly 14? That'd be 3, 12. No, that doesn't go even. So it can't be 4 either. All right. It's taking a little bit of time, a little bit of work, but we're going to get the right answer, and that's the key. So let's try 2. Oh yeah, this is even, so I know 2 goes in here. So, and divide this by 2 and this by 2. That equals 4. 54 divided by 2. If you're not sure how to do it, you just do it like this. 2 times 2 is 4. 1. Bring your 4 down. 2 goes into 14 7 times. It goes even, and you're done. So, 27. Simplifying 854 using my rainbow factor method, I get 4 27ths. All right? And you can do that with any number. Just take the smaller number, do the rainbow factors, start with the biggest number, and go down. And once you've found one, most likely if it's the biggest one you found, you won't have to simplify it anymore. You'll be all done. All right?